What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Smooth, and you already know what's happening. The best definitely the banger. As you see by the title of this video, it's another little one. And this video is gonna be how do you get those microphone type beards, like the super dark beards, super thick beards, James Harden beard, Rick Ross, Odell, them type of beards. Like, you probably been growing your beard out for a while, and it might be patchy, or you might got a full beard connect, but you just don't know how to get it thick. That's what this video for. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe, man. Help this video reach more people. It might help somebody out. You know what I'm saying? But enough talking, let's jump right into it. Alright, so first thing first, I'm gonna get into this comb size. It's super important, bro. And it's super important that your comb grow with your beard. You feel me? So just for example, I'm gonna show y'all like some of the combs. Like when I first trimmed my beard, I'm gonna show y'all what I was using versus what I'm using now. Alright, so I got a whole bunch of combs right here. Y'all might think I'm crazy, but look, bro, like, you feel me? I'm just that locked in, you know what I'm saying? We're just different, you feel me? Alright, anyway though, when I first shaved my beard was so short, I couldn't use no wide tooth comb, so I had to use this. And I was using this small of a comb. And just let you know, bro, you just gotta start, you gotta know where you at first thing first. You can't go off of my beard, you can't go off of Rick Ross beard, you can't go off of James Harden beard. You gotta go off of your beard. So when I first started, I knew I couldn't use this comb yet. I had to start off with this one. So I started off with this and I was using a brush. So know your comb sizes. Your beard should grow with your comb. You feel me? Or your comb should grow with your beard, however you want to say it. So start off with something that's, you know what I'm saying, anything that you can use to comb it in. Start combing the formation out that you wanna that you want it to be, you know. It's kind of like manifesting. That's why I'm gonna say this a lot, bro. Relate your beard to being a plant. You feel me? Your beard, your whole body. Once you start understanding that your body is really like a huge plant, everything in your mindset will change. So anyway, so I started with this, you know what I'm saying, and then on next I moved to this one. It's like a little wide tooth, more wider tooth comb than the first one. And it's two sides. I like it because it got a super short side and it got a wider side, just so I could like extra length, you know. It's a good side. The bigger ones, if y'all need it, go get this comb. It's wood. It's a good upgrade from this, you know. So now this is what I currently use right now. It's like a little wider than this, you feel me? A little bit more space. But this is where I'm at right now in my journey. See, my beard is finally like getting thicker, and it's because like my comb is manifesting the growth with me, you know what I'm saying? So if you got a long beard and you ain't better use this, versus if you got a short beard, you ain't better use this. So that's just where it's at. Now eventually, and I've been there before, but every time I get to this length, I end up cutting my beard. But eventually I get to this wide tooth comb. Maybe I still can use it a little bit right now, but I'm not quite there yet. But this is just like the final level, you know what I'm saying? So that's a little bit how you get a thicker beard is using a bigger comb, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna get more follicles and it's gonna stretch them hairs out longer, which give it a more fuller look. So you always want to upgrade your comb with your beard upgrade. So you don't want to be using the same comb unless you just got a universal comb. Your beard typically staying the same length, you good. But if you're trying to grow your beard, definitely need to grow your comb. So that's tip number one. Number two, man, this is the most key. Y'all probably hear me say this a million times. It's moisturize, bro. And that's literally like the main sauce to it, bro. It's finding you a routine, finding you some moisturizer that really suits you and really work for you, bro. Because if y'all been following me, y'all can go back to some of my past videos. My beard been short, it's been trimmed down, and I've been trying to get it back like thick, you know. And the main thing I've been doing is just moisturizing every day, regardless of how I feel, regardless if I'm tired, regardless if I'm out of town. I'm moisturizing my beard and I'm combing it out every night, you feel me? And what I've been using is any type of conditioner. I got my own conditioner. If y'all want to use this, go to the bearded ones, man, or you can go to my store on the channel and go shop, bro. I've been using that and I've been mixing it with my oil every single night. I mix it after the shower, rub it in, and I comb it out. And moisturizing is key, bro. Like I told y'all earlier, bro, your body is nothing but a plant. So what is a plant that can't grow? What is a plant with no water, with no soil, you know what I'm saying, without the juice in it? A plant is not gonna grow. It's just gonna sit there and look at you, bro. I can have a plant sitting right here for 12 weeks. If I don't put it in the ground, water it every day, then it ain't gonna grow. It's gonna look at me, you know what I'm saying? But if I put it in the ground, I start watering it, put some soil around it, maybe put some plant food around it, that shit might grow in a couple days, you know? Same thing with your beard. If you just wake up and go to sleep, it's just gonna look crazy. It's never gonna grow. You probably wondering like, damn, my beard can't grow. You think it's just gonna, like, you thinking it's just gonna grow over time, which it will, but you gotta technically like form your beard how you want it. You gotta shape it, you know what I'm saying? That's why it's called grooming, bro. You gotta groom your beard into how you want it. Just that simple, you feel me? So with that being said, you wanna treat it like a plant, bro. You don't wanna skip days without moisturizing. You don't wanna skip days without combing your beard out. You do wanna go some time without getting it cut, but that's on to the next tip. So with that being said, on to the next tip is maintenance. So when you getting a haircut, bro. Now this is key too, because your barber can make or break you. It's that simple. You feel me? Your gains is literally in the hands of your barber. So I hope you tipping them. You feel me? When they're doing you right, I hope you tipping them so they know, let me get them right every time. Simple. Tip them. But anyway, grooming, bro, is you want to go. It's kind of like if you ever grew your hair out, if you ever had waves and had the wolf. I said waves, like my waves are dead right now. But if you ever had the wolf, it's kind of similar. You don't want to keep getting a haircut every week or every other day, because you're gonna be cutting out all your new gains, especially when you're starting out. So you want to go like a week or two without getting a haircut. You might look rough, but trust me, bro, it's gonna be worth it when you get that fresh cut. You feel me? Everybody been saying you rough. You pop out with that fresh cut with that new beard line, they're gonna be like, ah, shit, you in your bag. You know what I'm saying? So go a couple weeks, especially if you're in the growing process. Go a couple weeks without getting a cut, and when you do get a cut, bro, if you watch my last video, you already know this, but make sure you tell your barber, to keep your natural hair length. Keep your natural hair length. What that's gonna do is they're not gonna try to cut down to keep it sharp. They're gonna keep where your hair naturally grows at, and that's for your beard, that's for your razor line. You wonder why a lot of young people be receding early in their hairline, is because they don't tell their barber to keep their natural hairline. So what their barber try to do is keep them as crispy as possible. You feel me? Every cut they trying to, so what they might just push your hairline back just a little bit this time, so it's gonna be crispy. They're gonna create a new line, but if they do that every time, just a little bit, eventually that little bit gonna turn to that, gonna turn to that, gonna turn to a fire head. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you tell your barber, keep my hairline at my natural length. You feel me? Keep my beard as high as it can go, and tell them don't cut underneath. Now that's keys. That's keys. That's gonna help it look thick, bro. Cause you might think, like, I don't know what my beard look like on this camera, but like my beard really kind of weak at the top, but it's thicker at the bottom, and I don't cut under my neck. So like when I look down, all this shit look full. You feel me? You see what I'm saying? Or from the side, see from the side, all this shit look full. This shit look full down here because I don't cut underneath my neck. But some people get that shit cut up here, so it look like it just don't look right, and it like that beard is not full when the reality is full. They're just cutting it. So that's some tips, man, to keep it thick, bro. Moisturizing is definitely key, bro, because that's literally how your hair is gonna grow healthy. You know what I'm saying? Your hair gonna grow regardless, but some people, like, for a long time, bro, I'm gonna be real, I cut my beard and I was trying to get it back thick, but I wasn't really maintaining it. I was in between jobs. I had a lot going on, so it's hard for me to focus on my routine, bro. It's hard for me to get a routine where I was doing my beard every day. So my beard was grow, like it'd get longer, but it'd be so patchy, it'd be coily, it'd just look ugly, bro. So I had to restart, you feel me? This time I said, bro, regardless of what I'm going through, I'm gonna moisturize, I'm gonna keep my shit up. And that shit turned out pretty good. You feel me? I'm gonna keep going, see how long I can get it. I ain't never grew my beard out like super duper long, but I'm gonna do it for the channel and for myself, just see what's up with it. So hopefully y'all like this video, man. This video is literally how you gonna get the microphone, the Odell beard. It's literally growth, patience, and then just learning yourself. Really, that's the key to it. That's the sauce. If y'all like videos like this, make sure y'all let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel. But enough talking, I'm out. Peace.